Hello and welcome all to Petoen School News. Today we bring to you some of our school events that took place from March to May. I'm Kunga Lektom and we are very pleased to have you all spend your precious time here. So without further ado, let's look at the headlines. Preventing tuberculosis and its causes, Earthquake Day observance in Dharamshala, a parenting workshop was held at school, workshop on inclusive education organized by TBD committee, English debate, enhancing critical thinking skills. As always, our school health committee organized a talk on tuberculosis on 25th March to raise awareness among the students. My friend Tenzin Gawa will share more information about it.
Tuberculosis. Tuberculosis is a communicable infection caused by bacteria that mainly affect the lungs but can also affect other organs, including bones, the brain and the spine. This particular infection is very common in our Tibetan community, and as a result, our school health committee organizes awareness program every year on World TB Day. This year, the awareness program was successfully led by Dr. Kelsa and nurse teacher from Telek Hospital on 25th March 2024. The students and teachers learned various ways to prevent the infection, such as proper hand washing, benefits of eating nutritious food, and having a regular health checkup. I'm Tinzaga reporting for the school news.
Why do we observe Earthquake Day on 4th April here in Dharamshala? My friend Sunam Duma will enlighten us with an answer.
The school Social and Science Committee successfully organized the yearly Earthquake Day in our school on 4th April. The reason for this event is that on 4th April 1905, a massive 8 magnitude earthquake struck the Kangra district in Himachal Pradesh. And we observe it every year to raise awareness and prepare ourselves for such unpredictable natural disasters. The students of Class 8 explained the causes and effects of earthquake, why we observe it on 4th April, and demonstrated how to protect oneself when an earthquake hits with a skid during the morning assembly in the school hall. We now know that preparedness is crucial. Later, the school conducted a preparedness drill in which every participant eagerly took part. We thank the school's Social and Science Committee members for their dedication to raising awareness about earthquake and its stay in Dharamshala. I am Somdama reporting for the school news.
Parents play a pivotal role in the growth of a child alongside teachers. On 20th April 2024, our school held its second parenting workshop. My friend Tenzin Yangzi will give you more details about the workshop.
On 20th April 2024 in the morning hours, our school officially organized its second parenting workshop here in our school hall under the guidance of the school administration. The main motive behind this workshop is to foster children in a conducive way so as to ensure that they show holistic growth both in school and at home. The key speakers were Joint Secretary Mr. Jamyang Wangke of DOE CTA, our school headmistress Mrs. Nidhuchudun, and school counselor Mr. Yishi Tundu. More than 50 parents attended the workshop and they all learned many useful parenting skills. We sincerely thank the Joint Secretary Mr. Jamyang Wangke, Department of Education, CTA, for his time and effort to ensure a meaningful learning time. I'm Yangse reporting for the school news.
Inclusive education means opening our arms to every individual who has an equal right to education despite their challenges. To instill such values in our teachers, the school organized a brief workshop on inclusive education on 4th May. My friend Dizin Dundin will provide further details.
The professional growth of teachers is essential to improve students' performance physically, mentally, and emotionally. Keeping that in mind, our school's Teachers Professional Development Committee invited the Deputy Secretary of Counseling Session, Mrs. Tenzin Petoen, to share her profound knowledge on inclusive education to our teachers on 4th May. The program was held in our library on the afternoon of 4th May. The session began with a quiz, followed by the presentation and various activities that kept teachers engaged and eager to learn more about inclusive education. We believe that more sessions like this can help teachers teach and guide effectively and efficiently. Furthermore, we would like to extend our gratitude to the DOE for their constant support. I am Tenzin Thunden reporting for the School News.
Debating skills encourage students to use their reasoning power. In today's modern world, debating is a key skill to acquire. With this in mind, the School English Committee held an English debate on 18th May. My friend Sriyanki will share the details.
The School English Committee held its English debate in the school hall to encourage and improve students' critical thinking, articulation, research and reasoning skills. The event took place on 18 May 2024 in accordance with the school calendar. There are 2 teams in the debate, each consisting of 8 students in total classes 7 to 10. Speaking for and against the motion, the impact on mobile phone on happiness is a blessing. The event was graced by the school principal, teacher, students and their parents. All the participants gave their best and the event successfully concluded with all of them receiving participation certificates along with Tibetan silk scarf from the principal. I am Sriyanki reporting for the School News.
Thank you for joining us for this edition of our news reading. We truly appreciate your time and unwavering support. Stay informed, stay kind, and take care until next time.